Hello, guys. Welcome back for the second Sudoku. A medium Sudoku. We have a regular Sudoku. In today's newspaper of yes, it's Wednesday, May the 12th, 2021. Yes. By the way, tomorrow it's Thursday, May the 13th. It's Ascensionday, so tomorrow we don't have a newspaper. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 2778. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. One star has 27, 2 stars 26, and for 2 stars Sudoku I need 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, yes, 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 1 star faster than 15, 2 stars 15 to 20 minutes, 3 stars 20 to 30 minutes, and a 4 star Sudoku. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan a puzzle. Which number shall I pick? Pick. How about the number? In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes, 1 and a 9. We see here a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. The 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Oh, all right. 1, 2, 3, 8, 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. 7. How about the number? The number. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. All right. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see a digit and number 1, number 7. All right. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 and a 1 in this column, third column. So no 6 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and a 1. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 9. Alright. 2 and 9. 3, 8, 4. 3, 8, 4. 3, 8, and 4. 8. Okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this third column for the numbers. Here we have 2 and a 9, so 2 numbers left. The numbers 8 and 3 are missing. 8 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 3 in this third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3, 8, and a 5. 3, 8, 5. Need to wait. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing in this big square. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes, the 2 and a 9. So 1 digit left. Here should be the 1. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 6, 6. Okay. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and the 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. Then 2, 9 and 1. Alright, we have a 8 in this row and 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. This box should be 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. Yeah, 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this last column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Then 2. Okay. 99. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box is going to be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. Oh, all right. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. One of the missing number is a 1. One of the missing number is a 4. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5 are missing. 1, 4, 5 in this big square. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 4, 5 are missing now. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. So wait, digit number 2, number 1. All right. 2 numbers left. Oh, no. We have a 2 here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 9. Oh, right. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 4. All right. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 6 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing. 6 and the 9 we see here. 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Okay, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. All right. How about the number 8. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. We have a 5 in this last row, 5 in the row above, so in that row. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. All right, 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. One box left in this row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing here. Yes, in this row. 3, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We see here 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the third regular Sudoku in this newspaper. It will be a Sudoku mix. See you then. Bye bye for now.